Good morning, everyone. Time for a baby Budgie update. And I think I have some good news here. This is tentatively called, her name is Pico, until I think of something better. Her crest is coming in nice. She's going to have a bowl cut. And I still don't know if she's a true lacewing or a spangled lacewing. Her little tail feathers are dirty, so I can't tell if that's the tan color or if it's just dirty. I just fed them. And the little one has got a few down feathers on his back. He's almost a fuzzy butt. Nothing on his head yet, but I know he moves around a lot, but he's got a little tiny bit of black coming in on the very top of his head, which I'm so excited. There, kind of see it there, tiny dots. And his sister scratched him in the nose, but he'll be okay. He's very active. He still gets slow crop about once a day. But as of today, it looks like he's doing better. And today is the first day. Let's put the incubator back together for him, though. He's still not regulating very well. She's pretty much ready for room temperature. It just seems like it's not as difficult now. They're still having too many feedings a day from what they're supposed to be for this age. I wouldn't say he's out of the woods yet, but he's getting better, I hope. Alright, let me put her up so we can hear what's going on. Budgie, yuck! Budgie, yuck! Yes, flap your wings. Okay, looks like he's gonna take a nap now. So today is the first day that they're off the antibiotics, and I now have them on probiotics. So I have to reintroduce the good bacteria into their gut. So I got this. It's a white powder with all the lactobacillus, and it tells you here everything that it's got that's good for them. I mixed up a liter of this stuff in water, and I put it in the refrigerator to keep it and mix up their formula with. But then I realized that, well, putting the bacteria into a cold environment may not be the best thing for them. And then afterwards, it goes into the microwave, so I'm probably killing all the good bacteria that's in there. So apart from using the liquid that I've already made, I've sprinkled a little bit of that with a tiny spoon. Just a little bit into the already made formula. It won't hurt them. But yeah, I just got a feeling that chilling and microwaving is probably killing all the beneficial stuff in there. So hopefully this will help him to get better and he'll start draining out. All the other birds are doing very well. So that's all I've got for now for the Budgie update. Let's hope this guy starts growing normally and gets feathers already. He is so far behind. Snuggly, I just gave him this toy. This is my travel buddy, Bullet the Budgie. He can have it for now. He is snuggling with her, so cute. He doesn't poop very much, so he can have the white one, which he won't get it as dirty. Since he can't be with his sister, and even when they're together, she scratches him. I can't have this. He needs something soft.